Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to safely send money using Capitec app. First, you need to be logged into your Capitec account using the mobile application. For the first method to send money, we're gonna use Send Cash. From this page, click Continue to deposit money using the Capitec app. Then, the Capitec app will generate a PIN so you can share it with your family member or friend who can use it to collect money from participating retailers or Capitec ATM. For the second method to send money on Capitec app, we're gonna use Pay Beneficiary. Click on it, then click Add Beneficiary. If you already have beneficiary in your account, you can select one from this list. From this page, you're gonna choose a method to send money to a beneficiary. After entering the beneficiary details, you're gonna enter the amount here, then click on Pay. This payment will reflect in the beneficiary Capitec business account immediately. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.